Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be making an abstract oil pastel portrait. I am going to be using Vincent van Gogh's portrait painting and use it as a reference. So first of all, I'm going to pick up my colors. The main colors I see in Van Gogh's painting are red, blue, and this minty green color. I began by making an outline on my page and basically drew an outline of the figure, leaving the figure in the negative space and the background in the positive space. The whole idea to abstract something is to simplify the image into colors and shape. I'm going to simplify the blue and the red in the original painting into shapes. As you can see, the blouse of the woman is in stripes, so I'm basically going to lay down my colors into a stripy form. And the bottom half of the woman's clothing is filled with red dots on a blue background, so I'm going to focus more on the red dots. So now by identifying the whole image into shape and color, we have something which can be called as an abstract version of the original piece, and this is what you call an abstract portrait. That was it for today's video. I hope you gained something and maybe learned a few things, and I will be back with more videos. Until then, take care.